Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video we have again an unboxing review of some gardening tools, and I saw in Lidl that they had the Parkside hedge trimmer and grass trimmer, string cutter, and I couldn't help myself of course, and I went ahead and bought them both. This we are going to see in a different video. Hit the subscribe button if you don't want to miss out on this hedge trimmer. So let's jump into it. This is the old hedge trimmer I have been using. It is AC powered of course, but in order to use this, of course you have to have power. You have to bring extension drum and of course an extension cord to use with this one, and eventually you will definitely end up cutting the extension cord. Ask me how I know. So I can see the date. This is from 2016, so it is about 10 years old, and it works fine, except that you have all these things that you have to bring with you. The ease of just using a battery is something I want to try out in the garden. Just a quick look at the specs. So this is a 450 watts power and 750 RPM. The blade is 46 centimeters, and let's leave that on the side. Now let's take a look. And this is the one that came with the multi-tool that I reviewed some time ago. Check the video up there somewhere if you want to see. Just for comparison, this is about the same as this one. So let's put those on the side and let's take a look at this one. So is this the correct way to do it? We'll see. And this one, there we go. Very simple. That's a thick instruction manual. And here we are. So I should have mentioned the model. So this one is PAHS 35A1. It is 1200 RPM and 35, quite a bit smaller, 35 centimeters cutting length. So just for comparison, let's put it next to my old one, and you can see the difference there. So I do have a fresh battery. This is the small one, so it is 2 amp hours, 2000 milliamperes. Of course, when using such tools, you definitely want to use the big one, the 6 or the 8 amp hour battery, as it will hold much better. So this, does it say watts? No, just the RPM. Excellent. Let's put the battery in. So we have safety here. Very nice. So is it something useful inside here? Yes, no. I mean, it is very simple. I don't know if you're supposed to lubricate this. Please write it in the comments below if you're supposed to lubricate this with some biodegradable oil or something, or just leave it like that. I think I've never done it with this one, as you can see. So I mean, more for the batteries, and that's pretty much it. One language, the other ones start later. Okay, so the situation I want to deal sometimes is this one. I have this, I have a bit of time, and I want to cut it. This thing grows like crazy, as you can see. So the ease of using a battery powered hedge trimmer is very appealing. Now let's see how it works. Of course, safety first. All right. So this is it. I mean, it's really hot, but this thing works very well. Let's go and take a look at the remaining battery. This was the Parkside Hedge trimmer, the battery powered one. I mean, for the cost of 22 euros, I give it, of course, a big thumbs up. The smaller blade doesn't seem to make much difference, and even with a small battery, it seems to give a lot of working time. So that will be all for today. Please hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and please consider subscribing for more. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.